Hi, this is Andrew. Now, there's a question that I was always asked: how do I choose a social media platform for your business, right? Whether it's Facebook or Instagram. Now, do you have these questions? Or do you want to learn how to use social media to promote your business? Then watch this video. Before we start to talk about using social media marketing, first thing you need to understand who is your niche market. So who is your target market? Now, if your target market, for example, is, let's say, for example, if you do fitness, means that people who loves exercise. Now, that target is so huge, right? Because if you want to really target and know what kind of platform do you want to use, then you need to niche down to a more specific target. Let's say, for example, exercise, because exercise is so wide, right? It's not specific. Then you can nail down what kind of exercise, right? If you want to target people who loves like yoga, who loves maybe like hiking, jogging, or even like people who run marathons or half marathons. So these are more specific. First thing is that before you can know what kind of platform, best is to do some research to find out what is your target market. Now, once you specify on your target customers or your target market, then ask yourself this question: where would this group of people, means that your target group of people or your tribe, spend most of their time in? Yeah, when I say spend most of the time, means that in what social media? Because today there's so many social media. It can be Facebook, Instagram, and beside Facebook, Instagram, there are TikTok, there's Snapchat, there are like LinkedIn, and a lot of others so-called social media. And even YouTube today, it has become like a social media rather than just a normal video platform. So if you can answer that, find out where your customer or your target customers are. So if they are in Facebook, most of them, now I know people use a lot of apps, but if they spend most of their time in Facebook, then you may want to invest your time and effort to go in and promote or get to know them or build relationship with them using Facebook. Now, on the other side, if they are in Instagram, then focus on building your social media marketing on Instagram. So that's the most easiest way to choose which platform that you want to go in. Now, of course, today, because most of the people are using multiple so-called social media, if you have the time and your budget and resources, then by all means, you can go into as many social media platforms as you can, and that will help you. So I hope that this short video will help you decide which social media platform to go into. If you're interested to learn more about online marketing, you may want to subscribe to this channel because we publish online marketing tips every week. So just click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that every week when we publish, you will be notified. And meanwhile, you can watch some of this video right over here, and I will see you real soon in my next video.